This is an artistic impression of the Aga Khan University Center and student residences whose construction is now underway in Nakawa, Kampala. The Aga Khan University Hospital will be built on 60 acres of land donated by the Uganda government. The first phase of construction of the hospital was expected to be complete by 2020, but due to a delay in the design stage and the COVID-19 pandemic, construction has just begun with a cost of investment of over $100 million, which has been partly footed by donors.
So in phase one, we will establish the university center, which are the academic spaces. These are the spaces where teaching will happen, learning will happen. We have student residences, because we realize that students will come from across Uganda to study on this campus.
According to the Vice Chancellor of Aga Khan University, Dr. Suleiman Shahobuddin, they will start with postgraduate medical education.
It is most likely that we will start with specialist training in surgery and internal medicine, which will then be expanded to other disciplines.
However, students in the health sciences will not be the only ones benefiting from the educational services at the Aga Khan University.
We have a graduate school of media and communication in Nairobi, which will also offer programs on the Kampala campus. We have our education faculty, our Institute for Education Development, which is based in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. And every year, 20 Ugandan teachers go to Dar es Salaam to receive a Master's in Education degree program. So some of that program will also be delivered out of the Kampala campus.
The Aga Khan University Hospital has campuses in Nairobi, Kenya and Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and the construction of a facility of this kind in Uganda will have a positive impact on not only the country's health and educational sectors, but also the East African region.
We will offer an integrated education and an integrated healthcare agenda for East Africa, and each of the institutions will build upon the strength and leverage the expertise of the other campuses. I hope that the Aga Khan University Hospital will play a catalyst role. It will play a role that will uplift the health standards across the country.
Currently, the Aga Khan University has a nursing and midwifery facility located in Old Kampala. It was founded in 2001. Every year, between 130 to 150 students are admitted depending on the applications received. Each class has a limit of 40 students to enable the teaching experience be individual best. Students receive an education that competes with those on the international level, while they equip them with the evidence-based nursing skills. Doreen Twinomugisha is pursuing a bachelor's degree in nursing at the university, which she hopes to complete in December this year. Her plan is to leave the country for greener pastures once she gets her degree.
So, when I go out there, if I'm to go to the UK, I feel they will appreciate my services and I feel I will earn what I deserve. In Uganda, I want to earn what I deserve.
The aim is to have a world-class hospital which will see doctors and nurses who had left the country to earn a living elsewhere return home to provide health care to the ordinary Ugandan.
This hospital will also be a magnet, and this university will be a magnet for attracting world-class Ugandans who are working overseas, who have reached a certain level of accomplishment, and they want to now come back and serve their country.
The hope is that the ordinary Ugandan will have access to both the education and health facilities at the Aga Khan University Hospital.
Those who can afford to pay should pay the full costs, but those who cannot afford to pay, the support structures and support system will take care of those students or those patients. And this is the mission and vision of His Highness and of the Aga Khan University.
Tomorrow, Thursday, the Aga Khan University will hold a ceremony to commemorate the commencement of construction of the Aga Khan University Center and student residences. Rita Kanya Mujuni, NTV Tonight.